Okay, this is the tutorial on how to use biganet.fr and geopatronym.com to perhaps find a location in France to start your research. We're going to go to Biganet, and you have to be careful when typing in this address that you do put the www in front, or you're going to go to a different page. So it's one I, two E's, and FR. Now right here at the very top it says research a name, and in this case it's a surname, so you want to enter a surname here, and in this case we'll say Delbasti. Oh, I went to that. Let's try and do Delbasti. You'll see that it's a unique enough surname that only one department comes up, so you can be fairly sure that that's where you want to look. And if you click on the name, it comes up with several different records, and you'll see here it has a person's name. This number right here signifies the department, so the department number for Dordogne is 24. This N right here means it's a birth record. So this Antoinette was born in 1812. So if you're searching for an Antoinette Delbasti and you know she's born in 1812, you know that's her record, or it's a good chance it's her record. So you can select and say this means validate my selection. And right here, this is the price. It's €2 if you absolutely need to get in there and cannot find it in any other way. But at least this lets you know, narrows down at least the department that you may be looking in for your Delbasti ancestors. All right, we're going to try a different name, Pateroux. And you'll see an overwhelming amount of Paterouxs are in the Orne department. So you might think to yourself, okay, well, I need to start looking in the Orne department for my Pateroux ancestors, and if I can't find them there, then I might try Lorraine. This is a good example of how to use Biganet, especially if the surname you're searching for is a little bit unique. Also, you can try geopatronym, and geopatronym, patronym means surname. Geo is location, of course. So now geopatronym is a little more useful than Biganet because you can narrow it down to an actual commune, but it's a little more narrow than Biganet because it's only condensed to a very short period of time. So here we're going to type in try Delbasti again. Validator, that means validate or submit. It's really cool geopatronym because it will start to draw a map of France. It's going to take a second. And so you get an idea of the concentration of where the name Delbasti was found, but this is where it was found between 1891 and 1950. That's what I mean by it's a little bit more narrow. And you can choose a period anywhere from 1891 to 1990 if your ancestor was born a little more recently. But as far back as it goes, 1891, and if you think that perhaps they didn't move around a lot, this still might be useful even if your ancestors were born before 1891. But you see the name of the department, Dordogne, there again. It says there were 6 records. This is the number for that commune, if you'll remember, 24. Click on that. And it breaks down which communes those names are found in. One in Bergerac and one is Creys. And this is the rank, so more were found in Bergerac than in the other one. So this is an example of a way geopatronym.com can take a less common surname and show you exactly where you might look.